Let's make an easy salmon packet meal dinner for one. Here are your ingredients. Start by spraying your aluminum foil with non-stick cooking oil. Then you will want to place your vegetables at the bottom. I'm using fresh from Florida corn. I'm also topping it with red bell peppers that are roughly chopped. They don't need to be pretty. Then add some asparagus. I added the asparagus with the ends trimmed. This step is optional. You can add olive oil and season with salt and pepper. To prevent cross-contamination, use tongs to move your fish over top of your vegetables. Then we will prepare our herb garlic butter. This will include parsley, thyme, garlic, a pinch of salt and pepper, and we'll start to combine. Once your mixture is thoroughly stirred, you may want to add an extra pinch of salt and pepper for seasoning to your fish before topping it off with the herb butter. You can add as little or as much as you like. To fold your packet, you want to start with the long edge, folding it up and making sure that you get a nice seal and a crease at the top of your packet. This can prevent spills. We'll do the same with the short edges, folding those up toward you to prevent spills. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Once your packet comes out the oven, be careful. There may be some steam trapped inside the packet. You could use tongs or very gently open your packet to release some of that steam. And there you have it. It's your dinner in 15 minutes. You may plate this using your favorite dish or bowl, making sure to get all of those vegetables, as well as some of that delicious butter and oil seasoning that we added to our packet. It's as simple as that.